I want to I have actually some confessions that I have written down. As a matter of fact, I laminated them here. I've had them laminated for a while now. And so I just want to just remind us of who we are. As a matter of fact, I need you to repeat after me. I am complete in Him who is the head of all principality and power. Then I need you to say, I decree I am alive with Christ. I decree that I am free from the law of sin and death. I am free from oppression and fear does not come near me. I decree today that I am holy and without blame before Him in love. I decree today that I have the mind of Christ. Now I need y'all to repeat it. Are y'all with me? Are your sisters? Are you out there with me? Are you making your decree today? I need you to decree.